Welcome to Teaching the Bill of Rights, where we help you engage students with complex topics in the classroom. Today's edition of the 14th Amendment comes to you from our nation's capital. For more information and the handouts that accompany this lesson, please click the link below.
All persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the states wherein they reside. No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges or immunities of the citizens of the United States, nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws. Teaching the 14th Amendment and the concept of incorporation are important yet complex legal and constitutional issues for educators and students. As students wrestle with the concepts of individual rights and due process, they are presented with numerous 20th and 21st century examples of how the 14th Amendment has impacted their daily lives. Does the Constitution, 14th Amendment, permit states to understand the fundamental rights of Americans in fundamentally different ways? Which level of government can best protect those rights? What roles does or should the Supreme Court play in this process? Most importantly, how can we as educators ensure our students grasp these concepts and can apply them to their daily lives? The best general key for the solution of questions of power between our governments is the fact that every foreign and federal power is given to the federal government, and to the states, every power purely domestic. To teach students about incorporation, they must understand the significance of the 14th Amendment, the constitutional implications of incorporation, how the 14th Amendment has been used to protect individual rights, the different approaches to incorporation throughout history, and the concept of fundamental freedoms. With a controversial topic, we recommend walking your students through the concept slowly. With the first lesson, begin by analyzing Handout A, Background Essay, What is Incorporation, as a class. Break the reading down paragraph by paragraph or section by section and clear up any assumptions or misunderstandings. After reading, the students should understand that the original intent of the Bill of Rights was to protect people's rights from infringement by the federal government. The language of the 14th Amendment was different from the Bill of Rights. The 14th Amendment stated that no state should deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, and that no state should deny equal protection of the laws to any person in its jurisdiction. Beginning in 1925, the Supreme Court extended many of the protections of the Bill of Rights to the states. This is called incorporation. Many people believe that incorporation can speed up the process of ensuring that everyone's liberties are protected. Others argue that incorporation allows the federal government too much power to get involved in state-based issues. To help students understand this complicated concept, have them complete the skit on Handout C, Consequences of Incorporation. Assign students roles and have them read their parts with expression. Then hold a class discussion about who was affected by the decisions of the teacher, the principal, and the superintendent. Ask students to analyze the effects of the superintendent incorporating her decision.
Thank you for watching Teaching the Bill of Rights, the 14th Amendment. For more information and to take your students deeper into this topic, be sure to watch Part 2.